first unboxing video. So last week I just bought something from Lazada, an online store here. And let's open it. So I do have the receipt. Here it is. It's the ES18S in-ear headphone with mic. So the brand is SoundMagic. The SoundMagic ES18S. Let's take a look at the specification. Okay, so transducer dynamic 10 mm, neodymium. I don't understand this. Frequency range 15 to 22. DC resistance 46. Sensitivity 100 plus minus 2 dB. Decibels maybe, I'm not sure. Maximum input power 20. Cable length 1.2 meters. Connector stereo 3.5 L style. Gold plated and weight 11 grams. Okay, so let's take a look what's inside. Of course, we're gonna get the earphones. I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing. I think I'm doing it right. With the earphone, it's red. It has this, I think this is the bag. Yep, it has the bag. Well, I'm not gonna use this. And here are the spare earbuds. 2 small ones and the big ones. And the earphone itself. So switch right position for your smartphone. So this earphone has a switch because not all earphones are the same. If you're going to use this in iPhone or a smartphone from Android, it's still going to work. From Samsung or LG or other phones, it should work. If it doesn't, then all you need to do is to just go ahead and switch this. It has A and B. So I'm not sure which one works for my phone. I do have the cloud phone Excite Prime. So I'm gonna test this on my cloud phone. This is my phone. Normally the iPhone doesn't work here. It works for music playing, but if you're gonna do phone calls, then the mic doesn't work with an iPhone. So I'm gonna try it here. Okay, so for my phone, it works on switch A. It still plays on B, but it's not that good. Like there's no stereo. It's not loud enough. So if I switch this on A, it works. Yep, it sounds good. So now I'm gonna test this on my iPhone. I have an iPhone with me. I'm gonna try it on my iPhone, and I'm gonna take a listen. So with an iPhone, it still sounds good on A and B. The music plays well, but I'm not sure. Maybe there's a difference with the calls. I can't test this on a phone call to someone. I have no one to call to. But it works both on A and B. The music sounds good on A and B on an iPhone. This is an iPhone 5S, by the way. I do have the SoundMagic ES18S in my ears right now. I'm wearing it and I'm recording my voice using the microphone of these earphones. I think it sounds good. It's pretty nice. I'm not touching the microphone. I'm not putting it near my mouth. I'm just wearing the earphones, just hanging by my ears. So now at least you have an idea how it sounds like. So actually this is the same one that I was using before, the same one that I was buying. It's the same brand, SoundMagic. The only difference is that it has a switch and a microphone, a switch A and B. If this one does not work with your smartphone, so you can just turn the switch to a different one, and I'm sure it's gonna work. So I think this is a good buy for a cheap price. This is $795. I hope you got something from this. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. So thank you for watching.